that he extended to Nigerian Computer Society. First of all, by approving and allowing us to come to Rivers State for this year 2024 Smart Eco International Conference. Your Excellency, we want to sincerely thank you and appreciate you, sir. The entire membership of Nigerian Computer Society here sincerely appreciate this kind of gestures. The membership of the society, Your Excellency, comprises members from different parts of the country, as you can see, sir. And what you are seeing here, sir, I think is just a very few out of us. Your Excellency, sir, our members have been in Rivers State. They have gone round. They have seen the beautiful things and the beautiful work that you have done to Rivers State. We have seen what you have done to IT in Rivers State, and we want to sincerely use this opportunity to appreciate you and thank you for doing that to the people of Rivers State. And we hope Rivers State should be the hub of IT in the near future, sir. We want to see Rivers State to be #1 state in IT adoption in this country, Your Excellency. His Excellency supported this conference 100% with full support, and we want to sincerely thank him for this kind of support. To my members of Nigerian Computer Society, we are here in Rivers State. We have seen Rivers State. We have mingled with people of Rivers State. Please, I want you to go back home to different parts of the country. Tell your people what you hear about Rivers State are lies. Before we come, I received quite a lot of calls from some of our members that want to come to Rivers for conference, but they are afraid. I told them, please don't be afraid, come. We were here in February, we went around, we moved to different places to inspect different kind of things, but we never see any sense of any kind of threat or any kind of thing that will make someone to be afraid. So please go back home and tell your people, Rivers State people are peace-loving people. They are welcoming, they are entertaining. You can see the kind of beautiful performance given to us. Believe me, Your Excellency, most of us, this is the first time we are seeing this kind of thing. More especially, some of us from the northern part of the country. This is the first time we are seeing this kind of beautiful display. For us, it's a great honor. It's something that is going to remain in our mind for the rest of our life. It's something that I think we are not going to forget easily. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for this great opportunity that you give to us to meet with us. Thank you very much, sir.
I want to thank you especially on behalf of this government and the wonderful people of Rivers State for choosing our state for this conference. It means a lot to us. I'm even more happier when I saw the performance of my state, reflecting that we are doing something right in the face of our crisis. I did mention to them at this particular time what the world is moving into is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not different from what you are managing, what we are doing today here, what you people stand for. But I have just one appeal. This wonderful gift should be channeled to positive areas of the development of our dear country, at this time. We have been associated with a lot of bad things when it comes to our intelligence. But this time around, we all have to join hands together to support this country that we have all claimed, even in our new national anthem, where we say, a nation where no man should be oppressed. And if we have to stand and believe that we shouldn't be oppressed, we should all stand with something. We should have a means of livelihood. We should have a genuine means of earning clean money. We should also have a standard where what we earn can take care of our problem, which, for me, I see as the bottleneck or the core of all our problem. When you earn so much and it can't solve your problem, it now gives room for people looking for other ways to cut corners, which leads to crime, and what have brought us to where we are in our country. So our appeal as a government, as somebody who stands for the government, is the best brains that you've put together, the invention that you're making, the improvements that you want to make, please, let it all be for the betterment of our country. It is our country. We are not going to run away from this country. We must put hands together to make it that thing that we want. That is my charge to every one of you. For we here, don't be misled by what you read in social media. Our eyes are already on the ball. We know what we want, and by the special grace of God, we are already achieving them. You can see how peaceful the state is. Even those people who try to cause problems, God has a way of punishing them. When they try to do anything, God will find a way to bring down their plans against them. And it is only because of one thing. Our hands are clean. We have never allowed this administration to be associated with any form of violence or any plan to undo anybody. So anyone who believes he has power somewhere and wants to exercise that power here, God will continue to punish them in his own way. Our major interest is to better the state. Nothing less and nothing more. To better the state. Better it, we have met it in the state. What will people ask us when we leave? Did you leave it the way you met it? Or did you add value? Our work is to add value, and I can tell you we are doing that. You heard what the comedian, I call him comedian, said. We've improved our IGR. We don't borrow to is a good project. We don't. And it's only to one thing: application of this your technology in the affair of our states. We have also promised the president and his team that they should do us a letter officially so we can mandate the civil service, the River State Civil Service Commission, to ensure that those ones that are working with us, that are in your profession, must be certified before they get further promotion. What are we trying to do? is to make sure that we push away quacks. We make sure that we make this society noble. That is what you get when you're dealing with a civil servant. I am a civil servant before becoming a politician. I didn't jump into politics, so I have record. I'm coming from somewhere. I understand procedure. We will give you all the support to ensure that this association or this society will be recognized in this state. I can assure you that.